So we have a lot of advancements happening in cancer diagnostics because that helps us in treating the cancer better. It's like knowing your enemy better. If you know your enemy better, you can attack it in a more better way, in a more successful way. So when we go about diagnosing cancer, we have gone beyond biopsy now. We go inside the cell and identify the tumor that is helping the cell grow faster and in an uncontrolled manner. So that helps me identify the real target from where the cell is finding capacity to grow, from where the cancer is arising. If I am able to hit that part of the cell or the DNA which is promoting the growth of cell, I would be able to go to the root and cut the roots of the cancer. So what are those advances? Are those genetic or genomic tests. Genetic is a very general term. Genomics is when we go and try to identify the causative alterations in the DNA of the cell that are promoting the growth of that cell. So we do certain type of NGS testing, next generation sequencing, or which are the newest forms of test. You would have come across those type of names: NGS testing, whole genome sequencing, exome sequencing, different types. What are those? We are trying to map out the DNA of those abnormal tumor cells and trying to find out what alteration is driving or pushing the cell to grow uncontrollably. If I identify that one causative or promoting factor in the cell growth, there is a lot of advances in medical science where we can develop newer drugs called targeted therapy that go and hit that very particular alteration in gene and make the cell incapable of growing or dividing further, and eventually it dies. So that's how it helps us in identifying right targets for targeted therapy. So one is genomics testing. There are functional tests, functional MRI, functional PET-CT, that helps us identify where that tumor is and how I can reach that tumor in a better way and kill it. So right diagnosis, a comprehensive diagnosis is very important for us to be able to achieve a cure for any particular patient. So these advancements in diagnostics have come in a big way. They have helped us develop newer methods to control or cure cancer.